Our beloved Maula has graced the Jamats of the United Kingdom with his blessed Didar, bringing immense joy and spiritual happiness to the Jamats of the UK, Ireland, and the Channel Islands. At the London Darkhana, the Mukhi submitted bayat to our beloved Hazir Imam on behalf of the Jamaat, and Naushad Jivraj, President of the Ismaili Council for the UK, offered a message of loyalty. On this special occasion, 3 meaningful gifts were presented to the Imam. Members of the Jamaat collectively created an art installation known as the Shokrana Mosaic, reflecting the blessings in their lives through color, words, and drawings. They also pledged acts of kindness in service to others. In addition, young Murids aged 8 to 14 shared personal stories from their lives for Prince Ifan and Prince Sinan. As Maulana Hazir Imam departed the Didar Hall, young volunteers and Jamati leaders gathered to respectfully bid him farewell. He later met with interfaith couples before leaving the venue. Earlier in the day, our beloved Maula called upon the Mayor of London, Sadiq Khan, at City Hall, where they discussed the work of Imamat institutions based in London. On the second day of his visit, our beloved Imam spent much of the day at the Ismaili Centre in London. In the intimate setting of the Darkhana prayer hall, he graciously granted 2 youth mulaqats. Later, he returned to the center for an institutional reception with Jamati leaders, where he thanked them and their families for their dedicated service to the Jamaat and to wider society. Throughout the day, the Ismaili Center remained active and vibrant as volunteers worked tirelessly to ensure that all events were conducted smoothly. Tomorrow, our Imam will once again grace the Jamaats of the United Kingdom, Ireland, and the Channel Islands with his Didar. Earlier, our Maulana Hazir Imam arrived in London for a 5-day visit, during which he will meet with the Jamaats of the United Kingdom and Ireland. He was warmly welcomed by David Peary, Special Representative of the Secretary of State for Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Affairs, Naushad Jivraj, President of the Ismaili Council for the UK, and a delegation of Jamati leaders. Preparations for this visit had been underway for several weeks. Volunteers of all ages worked with dedication and devotion, giving their time and energy to ensure a meaningful and well-organized visit as they prepared to welcome Maulana Hazir Imam to the United Kingdom.
We are so thankful for your love, Maula.
We are so thankful for your love, Maula.
We are so thankful for your love, Maula.
Oh Maula, hearts reach toward you, even before our lips speak your name.
Every prayer, every sigh, every tear carries the weight of our love for you.
We have waited in silence, we have waited in hope, our souls trembling, yearning to be near your light. We are so thankful for your love, Mola.
We are so thankful for your love, Mola.
We are so thankful for your love, Mola,
For the mercy you pour into our hearts. We are so thankful for your presence, Mola.
even from afar, your light fills our souls.
Every heartbeat whispers your name.
Every breath is a prayer for you.
We are so thankful for your love, Mola. Even in our weakness, we reach for you.
Even in our despair, we remember your grace.
Our souls ache for your guidance.
Our hearts yearn for your sight.
Oh, Mola,
Every hidden sorrow, every quiet longing becomes a testament of our devotion and the depth of our love for you.
we stand before you,
Naked in our hearts,
offering the pieces of ourselves that only your mercy can embrace.
we tremble, we weep, we pray.
And yet our love grows stronger.
With every heartbeat, with every sigh, we are so thankful for your love, Mola. We are so thankful